Hey guys, I'm Rico, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to learn SEO fast and efficient. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization and is the process of improving quality and quantity of online content so that more people are able to find this content. For example, if you type in anything into Google, let's say what's a graphics card, Search Engine Optimized content is displayed at the top of this search results. So articles from people that know exactly what they are doing. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can learn everything about SEO in order for you to be in Google's first page. First, let's talk about some basics, and that is that there are multiple search engines out there. But in this video, I'm going to focus on the Google search engine because it's the most popular one and the biggest one. A search engine is an algorithm that helps people find the answer to what they are looking for, so explaining what a graphics card actually is. And search engine optimization is usually referred to in digital marketing because you can gain a lot of organic, relevant and free traffic with it. Another advantage of SEO is that you can generate direct traffic to your website persistently, and as long as the content is great, people are always able to find it. But if you just create a website and upload some articles on it, maybe some images, it is most likely not going to be enough. Without a proper SEO optimization, people will most likely never find your awesome content. And this can have multiple reasons. It could be a technical error, it could be that there is a server or domain problem, or it could be that you have too much or not enough content on your website, or not enough relevancy in order for Google to trust your website, because why should they? They want awesome content, but they don't know that you have this awesome content. And SEO is all about telling and showing Google that you have awesome content on your website. So learning about SEO can get very complex and can go very deep, but I don't say this in order to scare you or to tell you it's not possible. In fact, I did it on my own just 3 years ago, and along the way I built multiple successful SEO businesses. I'm just telling you this because I want you to focus. If you want to learn SEO the right way, you need to focus, you need to take some notes and watch this video until the end. Let's go. I have prepared a free SEO beginner's guide in the video description with SEO definitions, basic knowledge and links to resources where I still learn SEO until today. It's a Notion document and you can just click in the video description down below to take a look at it. Now, I definitely recommend you starting with a simple blog in order to learn SEO, and you can write about things that you are interested in. For me, it was a German website about whirlpools back in 2017. I definitely recommend you using a shared web hosting and don't waste time on setting up your own server. You don't need to know anything about coding in order to learn SEO, and also when you're using the right softwares, you don't even need to know anything about FTP, MySQL or any other data banks. I used to work with the CMS WordPress back in the days, and this is perfect for beginners in order to learn SEO. I also have a separate video talking about how to create a website, but in this video I'm talking about how to learn SEO. When talking about SEO, a huge factor is the keyword and competitors analysis and research. Therefore, you can use multiple tools. There are free tools out there, let's say Google and Google search suggestions. So anything you type into Google, Google shows you what people are actively looking for and what terms have a high search volume. If you want to do more complex researches, you can use paid softwares like Ahrefs, for example, which is my favorite. In the SEO beginner's guide, I'm showing you my actual process of doing a keyword and competitors research. You can duplicate it, you can take a look at it, or you can create your own based on my examples of doing a research like this. If you have done the right research about keywords and your competitors, you should be knowing exactly what your first article on your website is all about. And then it is all about optimizing your header structure, your meta informations, and your rich content like internal links, for example, external links, and video embeds, images, and all that. This is called on-page optimization. So optimizations you're doing on your content, and this is a huge factor for SEO. On the other hand, we also have off-page optimization. This is also called link building. So other web pages that are linking to your website are making your website stronger. And the more links you have, the more strength your website has, and the more Google trusts your website. And this is directly increasing your traffic that you're gaining from organic search results on Google. For both SEO techniques, on page and off page, you definitely need to have some patience. SEO is not a thing that you can set up today and gain a huge amount of success tomorrow. For me, it was roughly about 3 months that I saw first visitors at my German website about whirlpools. But then I had a solid business and I made around 1,000 euros every month from this project. In general, I'm a huge fan of learning by doing, and especially in SEO where things are changing very fast, you need to be able to do some changes on your website immediately. So I definitely recommend you creating your own website, and it's probably even cheaper than a Netflix or a Spotify subscription. So have your own website and learn by doing. Now we are coming to the SEO checklist of 7 steps in order for you to learn SEO fast. The first step is very self-explanatory, and that is to have a website that you can edit. So set up a hosting with WordPress on it. The second step is to do a keyword and competitors research, either with Google or also with softwares like Ahrefs or SEMrush or other softwares that you like. And the third step, you need to do a proper on-page optimization with header structures, with formatting, with meta informations, and also with just your general content. What are you going to write about? What are you going to implement? Videos, images, or other embeds? That is all up to you. The fourth step is about off-page link building. So reaching out to other blog owners that want to link to your website and to your content, either because you have something they want to mention or because they are just doing you a favor. And then in the fifth step, you should be able to write and upload 1 article per week in order for you to learn improving your content on a regular basis. The sixth step is about reading and listening about SEO content daily. I specifically didn't mention this like all the other people on YouTube do, because I am a fan of learning by doing and not about watching 1 million videos and doing just 1 hour of actual work. I'm a fan of doing the opposite, working 1,000 hours and having one specific day of gaining as much knowledge in a focused way as possible. Because things are actually changing very fast, especially in the digital marketing world. So there is no need to learn so much stuff about digital marketing that is unnecessary. It is about the fundamentals, and especially in SEO, about on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and some technical SEO optimizations as well. Step number 7 is the last step, and it is about regularly optimizing your website and trying out new stuff that you, for example, learned in a new video or in a podcast episode, because SEO is all about testing out new things and about improving your website and your rankings in general. So I hope this video could give you an idea about how to learn SEO, how to use it as a skill, because it is an awesome skill, and if you know how to use it, you can do a lot of awesome things with it. You could create an affiliate site, for example, which I started out with, and make money by affiliate commission by selling someone else's product. You could also sell your own product on your website, a digital or a physical one. You could start an agency, which I did as well. You could sell SEO as a service to other people, to local businesses, to online businesses, to people that just need SEO in general. And also you could start a business, which I'm currently doing, and use SEO as a leverage to gain as much attention to your business as possible. But SEO itself is definitely an awesome skill, and I hope you could learn something out of this video. If you want to learn more about digital marketing in general, definitely subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and if you have any questions, leave a comment with your question and I will be happy to answer it. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.